Follow these steps to fix Meta AI not available on Instagram. First, check for the updates for the app Instagram. To do that, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, switch your Instagram account to the professional account. For that, launch it, navigate to the profile page, then click on three bars given at the top right corner. Now scroll down, head over to the option Account Types and Tools. Click on the option Switch to Professional Account. Click on Next. What best describes you? Select any of it. Click on Switch to Professional Account. What type of professional are you? Creator or business? Select it and click on Next. Now you can complete these steps. With that, you have just switched your account to the professional account. Once you do that, you might get access to Meta AI. Next thing you want to do is log out and log in back to your Instagram. For that, navigate to the Settings and Privacy page. For that, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Now scroll all the way down and click on the option of Log Out. Click on Log Out again. Then again provide your credentials and log in back. Likewise, what you can do is report problem. For that, click on the option Help. Click on Report a Problem. Click on Report Problem Without Shaking. Click on Don't Include and Continue. Now here you have to briefly explain about the issue that Meta AI is not working in your Instagram account and send it. With that, Instagram support team will get back to you. If none of these solutions work, as Meta AI is rolling out gradually and may not be available in all regions yet, so you have to wait until it rolls out for all the regions. Following these steps, you will be able to get access to Meta AI on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.